Hello everyone and welcome once again to this channel. It's David Music Discovery. As you already know, on this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to insert and then send effect to Cubase audio track. So let's get right into it. So this is the Cubase 13 Pro. If you have not subscribed yet to this channel, please do, and then please hit on the notification bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So this is the 13 Pro version of Cubase, and then this is the audio track. If you want to add an insert in the 13 version of Cubase, you can just go here and then you add your effects. Okay, you hit on any of the slots and then you select the type of effect you want. You should know what you want. Okay, I'm not going to talk about that now in this video. Then you choose it, then the effect comes up. Okay, this is the black bar, a very good effect in Cubase. Okay, so but if you are not using the 13 version, let me do this for those who using the older version. You come to this insert. Okay, you first click on insert, whether you have it pre-fader or the post fader. Okay, sometimes normally it's this way. So insert, and then you add your effect here. It's the same way. You click on it and then you select the kind of effect you want. Let's say I want the stereo delay, and then I choose that, and boom, it's there. That is the insert. Okay, so now the send effects. If you want to add a send effect, let me delete this first. You just go on this send, then maybe you won't see it this way. You can see something like this. Please just come to destination, and then you choose your you right click here. Okay, on the insert you left click. Okay, but on the send effect you right click, and then you come down here, then you do add FX channel to send. Okay, so when you come this way, you come here, then you choose your effects. It's the same way. Choose the kind of effect you want, then you hit on it, you name the track, then you hit add, and that's it. You add your channel. Maybe you have the channel being added already, but it's not here. Okay, what you do is, let's say it's not here but we have the channel. What you do is you just go here, you right click. For that you right click, and then you check in the list, pinpoint delay, then you add that to it, and then on off post prefade. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe and then hit on the notification bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thanks very much, and then stay blessed. Bye for now.